Okay, imagine this. You are a busy traveling entrepreneur, but also want to contribute to your content marketing. You can't be everywhere at the same time, right? So, what can you do? I know, use AI voice cloning. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Welcome back. Yes, I did take a little break, went to Argentina and Uruguay, celebrating 25 years of marriage. Fun times. I want to congratulate you guys for helping me out because I'm seeing that we are like 428 people right now. 428 people have hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. You're awesome. All right. Looking at voice cloning, you heard that first thing out there, right? That is one sample. We're going to take a look at two different tools today that you're familiar with. If you haven't seen it before, right? You've seen Flicky before. So go ahead and hit that link if you don't know about Flicky. But check the links in the description because you can get to try all these apps as you are going through this video. We're going to talk about voice cloning. So it's another capability that we have with AI, generative AI. And it's actually, you know about text to speech. You've seen that, right? You type something, voices come out. But now we're going to talk about recording your voice, recording a sample of your voice, and then having that technology of text to speech be able to generate your voice based on that sample. And that's where the AI is coming through. You can blame different models out there like natural speech synthesis and all this other stuff, but that's for the nerdy people. So let's see it. Let's see what's going on here. I'm going to give you the two samples. I'll tell you how it works. What is it you need to do? It's very simple. And actually, the quality you'll see, we'll discuss that quality between one and another. If you stick around long enough, there might also be a third app here that I try. So we'll see how we go with this. But you know how it is. We try to keep it within 10 minutes or 12 minutes or whatnot. So let's go. Okay, so the first one we're going to hit is CapCut. CapCut is this app right here. You know it is the app that is associated with TikTok. Is a, yeah, for one respect or another, it is a Chinese app or has a Chinese company type thing. But we can't deny the AI use of it. So for example, here in what is called the Asset Hub of CapCut, right? So I'll take you out to the main thing. If you go to CapCut.com, it'll be just a website like anything else. But when you come here and you start looking at starting in your workspace, then you'll see things like AI captions and different features, right? And this is all part of what they call the AI Hub set or AI Asset Hub or something like that. So if you click that, then one of the things you can create here is voices. And what they have done is, they're clever in one way or another. So this is part of UX and marketing, by the way. But they're pretty clever in the sense that they are giving you all these voices over here, but it's really stuff that was already available in CapCut. The only difference here is now the my voices piece. In other words, generating your own voice. And what it claims to do, so if you click new, for example, it will open up this window and then it will give you this sentence to read. Select your mic, of course, record that, right? So you record that and it does it. Now, this is the scary part, right? This is only like a 5-second sample or 6-second sample. It's very quick. You'll see later here on the second app on Flicky that it's a whole different process. So these are the things you have to sort of be concerned with or be aware of. If it's so easy, then you can expect the quality to perhaps not be that good. So don't know. Let's see. For example, if I click here on podcast, today on the show, we're diving in the world of economic indicators. And now we're going to go ahead and hit this and see what happens. Hi there. Feel free to enter your text. I'm sorry, we need to be applied. So, but we could do a preview here of 5 seconds.
Today on the show, we're diving into the world of economic.
Okay, good. It didn't pick the voice that I was going for, but oh, see the selection there? That's what happens. So you have to have the selection there, then you can do it. Today on the show, we're diving into the world of economic indicators. These are the. So, I mean, if you think of it, if you listen to my voice, you can probably think that if I wanted to really, slow down and stuff, maybe I can sound like that. So I don't know. Is it good? Is it not? You heard the first sample. That first sample that you heard, that was CapCut. It was generated in CapCut. But now we're going to take a look at Flicky. So get ready for the Glare Witch. Glare Witch. Oh, no glare because why? Because I'm on dark mode. That's what's going on. Awesome. So I did the same here with Flicky. Now, you're not going to see the same process because this process is a bit different. It wants to record 2 minutes. So we're going to click here on clone voice, right? It gives you all of this to read and write. And I like how they take that approach because they are covering some ethical things. You notice how in CapCut the ethical pieces are not covered? Well, here you're covering the ethical part, which is you're making a statement that you're agreeing for the app to use your voice and generate your voice. So that is a good sign, right? So that's what Flicky is the way to go. So, so Alex 2, for example, and I'm not going to do this because, you have to record it and then do it. I'm going to show you the outcome just like I did before. But in your process, for you, you will want to give it a name, provide whether the gender is male, female, and then from there, the language as well, because this will affect the pronunciation of words and also the accent in some respect. Then you will pretty much start recording and read all of that. It usually takes about a minute or two. It creates that sample of a minute or two, and then you will end up having a file. Now, that file will be not available right away. It'll take probably about a day or so, I think, and it's approved by Flicky. So apparently the Flicky team or someone listens to it, ensures that you're not, I guess, copying someone else's voice or a celebrity's voice or something, and then they approve it. Once they approve, then look, listen to this.
Flicky helps you transform your ideas into stunning videos with our AI video generator. Easy-to-use text-to-video editor featuring lifelike voiceovers, dynamic AI video clips, and a wide range of AI-powered features.
So, I mean, I think if I don't tell anyone and I dub myself or something, people could think that is me. That is my voice. So that's how that plays out. And the cool thing now about this, though, if you use Flicky, this voice is now available in whatever you do, right? So if I do a new file, let's just do a quick, empty, empty. Just a quick thing here to get us going. So, now when we're going on this, if I start with, good morning, there is one voice, but in the voice selection, my suggestion, my thing is now you can go here, go into my voices, right? And pick your voice. And there it is. So now we play this.
Good morning. Good morning.
There you go. So, yeah. Not exactly, oh my God, we're like ready to go, like dub me out, right? But there's something there that if you can work it out, we're going to test the other ones, but Flicky and CapCut have that. Now, I think, CapCut, not as good as Flicky, only a 5-second thing, 5-second demo. It's pretty scary though, because it gets pretty close. Flicky is a 2-minute sample. There's still some things there that perhaps you can hear. I don't know. I guess, grogginess in the morning, geez, that you can fake with AI, right? So, well, thank you, everyone. Make sure you like the videos. Links are in the description. And, well, we'll see you in the new one.